This is called the Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. Wherever any bank is a lead bank in a particular district, that bank has been asked to set up this. In short, it's called RCETI. The aim is to train the rural youth in activities which will give some sort of employment and enable them to stand on their own feet. We have responsibilities in 12 such districts. This is the first building for which I have laid the foundation today. The National Institute of Rural Development, which is a Government of India body, gives a grant for constructing this building. So this building will have facilities for minimum of 4 classrooms, and we will have some workshops also, so that all kinds of vocational training can be given to any activity which is locally relevant and which will also enable them to earn a livelihood. For example, women can take up sewing activities. Today the state government is giving orders for stitching uniforms, lakhs of uniforms. So we need a lot of women who are trained. That is one activity. Then computer repairs, laptop repairs, there are hundreds of activities. Our branch opening is not linked to this, but separately we are opening branches, and this financial year is ending tomorrow. We have already opened more than 100 branches this year, and we plan to open 150 branches in the coming year. Inaugurated today what is called the Financial Literacy and Counseling Center. This will enable people to get financial advice for deposits, for advances, free of cost. We expect this to be the first step towards financial inclusion. We don't teach them, we give them individual advice as to how they can deposit their fund, how they can avail their credit facilities, what are the various options available. In fact, this center will not sell anything of State Bank of Hyderabad. It will be a general advice. The person who receives the advice can choose and make his own decision.